Can you stop that? I hear someone coming in.
No.
Hi.
Oh, are you warm in here?
Yeah.
Your tea's going to be ready in about 10 minutes, Liv.
Great.
Okay.
I'll go home then.
Well, I expect your mum will expect you home sometime, will she, Chelsea?
Yeah, for now.
Alright then. Okay, I'll let you try and sort that out then.
Bye.
See, she's now attached to the chair.
Jack Will sucks. Jack Will sucks. Get off. No, I'm gonna fall off my chair. Pass me the phone. I just want them to see what I can bubble you in. This isn't funny. That's Liv, like, falling off a chair, and both her feet, there, are handcuffed.
Ow.
Just
Ow.
handcuffed to the chair.
Ow.
It does it, doesn't it?
Ow. I can't stand it. There's more muscle tenses and then the handcuff digs in. It's like soft, but less horrible.
There's no blood, is there? I hope there's no blood, because I'm not taking you to the hospital, boy. Frickin' hair man. Frickin' hair man. You're a frickin' hair man. Hi, my name's Liv and I have twining selection. No! Ouch! 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 Ah!
Want to unhandcuff me?
No. I generally don't. I think I might watch you struggle.
Oh, I hate it how you would sound so generally. Not general.
I genuinely won't. Hey, Lib, you like what you're seeing?
No way. Something's got rubbing his fanny.
No, I'm not. I was simply itching my leg. The top of my leg.
Oi.
No. No, no, no! 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 No!
I just had to be further.
No! No, Liv, I already put them on! I already put them on! No! Stop! Stop! Liv, I'll hurt you. I'll hurt you.
You won't hurt me.
I'll bite you. You know how much you like that. I'll bite you. I feel sick. Maybe you should get off this, please, Liv. Don't, because it really hurts. Like,
Really?
it does. I don't mind shooting on my wrist.
Just let go, let go.
No, it's still claustrophobic on my ankles. No, don't! Ah! 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 Ouch!
Well, these handcuffs suck.
Oh, dude, get the chair off the sofa! You're pulling, you're pulling. Well, I'm pulling you, am I? She's tugging me. Why? Frickin' hammer. You're a frickin' hammer.
Right, once we get dinner.
Liv, I'm going home, so... No, I'm not. Oh my god. You're a beast! Take a dump in it. No! Stop patting that stick there, Charlie. Why is that stick wet? What the hell is on that stick?
Jizz.
Why does it...
I put it in a pot of jizz.
It smells like. Is that burning essence? Is that essence? What the frick is?
Jizz makes
What's that
wood
smell?
bendy. Bendy.
That is not jizz.
Yeah, you'd know.
Not a funny joke, Luke. Not a funny joke. Frickin' hair man. Yeah, it's covered in like vanilla-y crap. Stop whipping me in a sexual way. I don't think Sam will be happy about this.
Sam wouldn't be happy about a lot of things.
Sam
Like
wouldn't be
the
happy about
BNP getting quite a few votes.
My dad wanted to vote for them.
Same.
My mum was
No, I'm kidding.
My mum was like shouting at him. She's like, Phil.
I love Phil.
Sorry, you love my mum.